It'd be nice to get
Goodness.
the microwave in here, you know?
Just so I can go out there to the nurse
Oh,
station
yeah?
and use theirs if I want to.
Oh, that is the cutest
But
thing
yeah, it'd be
ever.
nice.
Well, you don't have to do
Refrigerator.
your own, yeah, if you wanna wake up for a midnight snack, you know, you can walk
Goodness.
home. You just have it.
Oh, don't know if we're happy about the hiccups. Don't know if we understand them yet.
I know they make me mad because they say it means you're growing, which is good for you, but
Could
not
you
for
stop
me.
that? We're not ready for all that.
What's crying?
No, the growing.
Oh.
Goodness.
Did you get that on film too?
I did.
His hiccups and his sneezes.
There'll be no lack of pictures.
Yeah, I actually have like the GoPro camera
Oh,
everywhere.
I went today and I ordered all those pictures and then I went and ordered frames.
Ordered frames.
See how crazy she is?
I'm okay with it. I've come to terms with it. We'll talk about therapy later.
It only lasts 3 weeks.
Then you're like, okay.
Hey there, handsome. You look like you feel better now.
Just a Hopper.
Oh, maybe not.
Greg Hopper, you remember him? Anyway, they got 5 girls, and you know that she said they got a ton of her first baby, ton of pictures, and then the second baby, pictures get less,
Yeah.
and you know so on and so on.
Yeah, it's not
And
exciting
the
no more.
last baby, they barely got any pictures of her.
That's when
Oh,
you're
just
like,
squeaking.
how come you don't have any pictures of me? Oh, well.
I'm still recording. Every baby needs that one irrational aunt that is completely crazy about them. I think I just won that award.
Yes, I think so too. Oh, let me see.